Today we're going to make this easy pipe cleaner bracelet craft, which is perfect for a gift.
For today's craft, I am using 2 pipe cleaners and a bead. Once you do this craft with me the first time, you will see that you can use more pipe cleaners than this if you would like, different colors, you could add more beads. But let's get started on this one just so you can see how to do the first one, and then you are on your own to make as many as you would like. So grab your materials and here we go. The 2 colors I'm using today are orange and yellow. I'm going to line those up, and when I am twisting them, I'm going to start at the beginning and just twist them together. So here I'm just twisting around and around so they stick together. See how they stick together? Then as I'm twisting, I want to just go a little bit more slowly. So when I'm twisting, I twist, but I want to go slowly because I want to see the yellow and I want to see the orange. So see, as I'm twisting, if I go too quickly, they're going to wind up really squished together. So I just want to gently turn. See how I'm just gently twisting so I can actually see the colors. When we first twisted, they were really close together, and that's okay. But now I want them to be a little bit further apart because I like to see the variety of color, not too squished together. Now, as you're doing it, if it's a little bit tricky, you can just untwist and try again. Wonderful thing about these pipe cleaners is you can use them multiple times. And all you're going to do is try to keep that as even as you can. You're making a little pattern. Twist all the way to the end of your pipe cleaners. Now, if you chose to use 3, then you would have 3 different colors here. 4, you would have 4 different colors. 1, you could choose 2, but they're the same color, and you would just have 1 color. So completely up to you. As you learn how to do this first one, then you know that you can be as creative as you want and make multiple bracelets. And there we go. I have mine. I really like that. And I chose a yellow bead to put. I'm going to put it right in the middle, but you could choose more than this 1 bead. You could choose a variety of beads, different colors. I like that 1 little bead. I'm going to put it right in the middle, and then I'm going to gently create a circle. And this is kind of where you have to decide how big you want it, depending on whether you're wearing it, whether you're giving it to someone else. I want to make sure that I can get it on and off. So if you're making it for someone who might be a little bit, have a bigger hand than you, just make it a little bit bigger. Smaller hand than you, try to make it smaller. And the good thing is you can always resize it. So I think that's going to be good for me. That's about, I think, where I want it. Let's just try that again. Want it to go on fairly easy, but not so easy that it's going to fall off. So I'll just cross those where I thought it would work, and then I'm going to twist and twist. So I just twist around, hiding it. There we go. And I might have to move my bead a little bit so that it's in the middle. And here we have a beautiful bracelet. You can make these in multiple different colors. I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me on Craft Club for Kids. Remember, be creative and have fun.